All right, guys, this is the Milwaukee Packout Deep Organizer. Now, this thing has a 50-pound weight capacity, so it will hold quite a bit. The storage containers here are 7 inches deep, which is one of the things I really like about this. You've got the smaller Milwaukee Packout organizers, but this is nice and deep. I do a lot of door replacements, whether that's changing out the hardware or cutting new door slabs. So for me, I can put the kits in here that I use, the templates. I even put batteries and things like this. I'll put batteries up in here where you have smaller pockets. But the one thing I really like about this is it just isn't for nails and stuff like that. It's an organizer for your larger tools. Now, the other thing that's nice about the deep pockets is you have these dividers that are adjustable. So you can take them in and out. Here, you can put it back in if you want to. And again, you've got those 4 smaller pockets up here. And again, take these dividers out as well. Just kind of nice because you have a lot of capabilities to expand the pockets here and store different things. You can stack this on other Packout pieces. You can stack more pieces on top of this. You have a nice clear lid again, so you can see down in it. You don't have to open it up to look inside. You have nice solid locks here on the side, metal here, so they're going to hold together. You got your locking mechanism right here. Again, if you had the whole system, the nice part is you can run a chain lock down through here. Otherwise, you could lock this one by itself. It is IP65 rated, so you're going to have some protection here when it comes to the elements. Now, if you haven't used the Packout system before, it's really easy to actually stack this. So let me show you here. Now, this is one of the larger Packout toolboxes. To stack this, you're just going to kind of set this about halfway back, and you're going to feel that it's going to drop down, and then you're just going to push it back like that, and it locks into place. Now, to release it, just pull up on that, move it forward, and it releases. Again, that's all done down here at the bottom. It's just catching in these spots here.